far, we saw that for this example, the survey of US adults found that 62% of women believe there is a link between violent video games and teens' behavior. We randomly select 4 US women and ask if they agree with that statement or not. We found 2 probabilities with keyword exactly. Now, what if I change the keyword? Take a look. If I ask you to find the probability, what is the probability that at most, 2 agree with the statement? Okay, I have a keyword that is at most. There is nothing exacted here. Say at most. When you're saying that at most, you're finding the probability that X is less than or equal to 2. So at most 2, it means that it can be 2 or less. At most 2, less than or equal to 2. When you have less than or equal to 2, you have to change the functionality on your calculator. So let us take a look at this. For at most, we're going to click on second, go to was, and now you need to find binomial CDF, cumulative CDF. So turn on the calculator, second bars, and go further down to find binomial CDF. Let me move it up, everyone, so everyone can see we are on binomial CDF. There is no PDF anymore. We're finding the cumulative one. Okay, the number of tries is 4. We're asking 4 people. The probability of success, the same as before, 62% or 0.62. Now, what is the X value? It says less than or equal to 2. Since it's less than or equal, because of equality X, you need to enter it as 2. And then paste. See, this is the value that you have here. 48,997. It's about, let's see, about, if you want to round this, you get 49%. So it's about 49%. So again, we have at most, we use second bars, binomial CDF, and we use the exact same value here. But if I change this to less than, what is the probability that less than 2 agree with the statement? Less than 2, guys, I changed the keyboard to less than. It is not at most anymore. Less than is denoted by less than. You're finding the probability that X is less than 2. So it cannot be equal to 2. However, you're going to use the exact same steps. You're going to go to second bars, binomial CDF. Was binomial CDF. We're finding the cumulative probability. So second was, find binomial CDF for me. The number of tries is 4 again. We're asking 4 people. It is fixed. The probability of success is 0.62. These 2 numbers are fixed. They're not changing, these 2 numbers. But X must be 1 value less. It's not 2. It is 2 minus 1 or 1 now. So we're going to enter 1 and then go to paste and do the calculation. Gives you 15.69%. So see the difference between them? If it includes 2, you get about 50%. But if it's less than 2, 2 is not included. So you get 15.69 or 16% if you want to round this.